Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are having a right angle. A is a 90-degree angle and this is the diagonal CB. Two portions of the diagonal CE and EB. This is 8 and CE is equal to 18. A perpendicular is drawn from F on E. This is 90 degree. This is a point F. So that the right angle triangle FEB is there. The area of which is 48 centimeter given to us. Three readings are given to us. This is 18, this is 8 and this area is 48 square centimeter. We have to find the area of this red region. CAFE. In order to this, our aim should be that first of all we have to find the area of this net big right angle triangle and then subtract the area of this portion so that we can obtain the area of the red region. First of all, this is already known to us, the area of FEB, so that, and this base is also known to us, so that we can say that this length EF can be obtained because this is 90-degree angle, so that the area, we are given area of triangle EFB, which is equal to 48. This will be 1 by 2 base into EB into FE. That is 1 by 2 into 8 already given to us. EF is not known to us. It means EF will be equal to 8 into EF will be equal to 48. This is equal to already 48 into 2 upon 8. Okay, that is 8 6 is 48. It means 12. EF is equal to 12 centimeter. This we have obtained. Now let us suppose we are having two right angle triangles. One is a bigger one, CAE, and another is the FEB. Here this is 90 degree, here this is 90 degree. Now let us suppose alpha plus beta, these are the complementary angle equal to 90, so that if this is angle is alpha, suppose this angle is alpha. This is alpha. I am marking it with red color so that it will be very much clear to it. This is suppose alpha. Then this is beta. Okay? Because now alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Now this is alpha in the smaller triangle, but it is also existing in the bigger triangle also, CAE, so that this is alpha, this is 90, this will by virtue automatically become equal to beta. Okay, now we are considering the case of alpha. For angle alpha, the ratio, because they both triangles A, B, C and FEB, they are similar. They are having angle similarity quality, so that the ratio of their corresponding arms will be same. So that we can say the perpendicular upon its perpendicular will be equal to the base upon its base will be equal to the hypotenuse of the another triangle hypotenuse. So that now we are going to compare the triangle FEB and CAB. Now for angle alpha. For angle alpha in triangle EFB, EB is equal to base is equal to 8 centimeter and EF is not known to us. This is perpendicular. Let us suppose this is not known to us. This already been calculated by us equal to 12. That is 12 centimeter. Okay. It is based upon perpendicular for alpha will be equal to the base upon perpendicular for angle alpha in the bigger triangle. Now in the bigger triangle, CAB, this is alpha existing both the triangle, so that for this is base and this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, this is base. perpendicular is equal to AC and base is equal to AB. So perpendicular upon base in the case of this triangle will be equal to the perpendicular upon base in the bigger triangle also. So that we can write this perpendicular upon base when the EF upon EB, this will be EF upon EB perpendicular upon base, that which is 12 into 8 will also be equal to the perpendicular upon base in the bigger triangle, that is AC upon AB, or AC upon AB are in the ratio of 3:2, or we can say is equal to constant C, that if AC is equal to 3 times X, then AB will be equal to 2 times X, where X is a constant not known to us, which is to be found by us. Hence the area of the triangle will be equal to, area of the bigger triangle will be equal to 6x square. Hence area of triangle, bigger triangle, this is CAB, this will be equal to of triangle bigger one, CAB, this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 3 times x into 2x, that is 3x. This will be the area of the bigger triangle. First of all, we have to find the value of x. Then we find the value of this 3 times x is the value of the bigger triangle. Then after that we will subtract 48 from the bigger area of ABC, and hence obtain the area of the red region. Now, in order to find the value of x, we have to apply the Pythagoras theory in ACB. In ACB, now we are going to apply the Pythagoras. As per Pythagoras, in bigger triangle ABC, this is CB is given to us 26. 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. We are given 26. So that we can say 26 square. This will be equal to now this is a triangle CAB. In this whole triangle, we can say that 26 square CB square, this will be equal to AC square plus AB square. That is what? 18 plus 8, 26 square. AC square, AC is equal to what? AC we have assumed 3 times x. Square plus AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 2 times x. Or we can say 9 plus 4 x square, or 13 x square is equal to 26 x square. 26 square. This 13 get cancelled, we'll get 2. It means 2 into 26, this is x square. Okay? It means x will be equal to, this is 4, 2 root 13. X will be equal to 2 root 13. Now area of ABC, this already been calculated by us, equal to 3s. Area of bigger triangle ABC minus area of EFB This will be the area of red region. This will be area of the red region. Red region area. This is area of this 3 times x, 3 into 2 root 13. This is 3x square. Okay? So area is 3x square. Then x square is equal to 2 into root 3. 2 into 26 minus x square is equal to 2 into 26 x square into 3 minus 48. This will be the area. This can be obtained by subtracting. This is 6 the 36 carry 3 12 and 156 minus 48. 156 minus 48 area will be equal to 108 SQCM. This is the area of the red region. Okay, I think you have understood this. What happened? We have find the value of this area was calculated as 3 times x square. 1 by 2 AB into AC. Then 3x square will be the area of ABC. X square, the value of x square is equal to 2 times 2 into 26, and hence this area 3 times will get the area, full area of the triangle will subtract it by 48, this portion, hence the red region area can be obtained. Okay, this is very much a good questions. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Keep in touch with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. This is the competitive questions. It may come in CAT, MAT, XAT, GMAT, SSC, and different type of the competitions there. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.